Um, hello. I don't know what to call you, so hello. Um, Today's a video just on like how to fix an animation, to put it simply, because I had problems with this, and this is my fifth attempt. You may be wondering why, and it's because I accidentally deleted the other ones, as well as sometimes I forgot audio and other stuff, but it's not important. Anyway, to start off, you pick the one that you want, and this is the fixed one. So if you have a problem, this is the one with the problem. Okay, and this box is always in the way, I swear. Just appear for no reason. There's no probable cause. Okay, and then to fix an animation this is to transfer it to Unreal Engine later. You zero these out, your transformation. For some reason, I don't know, it worked for me, so I'm doing that. I also scaled it up to 1, all of them. 1, ta-da! It gives you like this. It just grows to an enormous extent. I still can't figure out how to change my position. Is it this? No. How do I? Yeah, as you can see, I have a lot to learn. Then you go to input, and you play animation. Oh, and yeah, for some reason it just shrinks to like 0 size. You don't mess with this, and then you see when your animation ends and brings it to the closest to like whole number. It can't be. It has to be either like a 10 or a 5. I don't know why. And frame rate, you change your frame rate depending on which one you have. If it was like 150, then it'd be 30 fps, because if you can divide the animation every like 30 fractions of a second, because this is 150, which is like 15. If you like do the math, 3 times 5 is 15. Yeah, but since I put it to 100, I have to put this to 25, because nothing times 3 gives you a 10. That's just another way to look at it. So 2.5 or 25, and then you have like 100. After that, you go to file up here. Oh, make sure that you select this, otherwise it's just gonna give you like all of this extra information. It just takes up a ton of space. After that, you export it. Import it would put it in as VPS. That's the only thing that Unreal Engine has. As I already have it here testing. I should really rename that. So you just put under whatever name, and boom, you get it. No, I don't. Okay, I already have this. You go to Unreal Engine, and then you import it as a skeleton mesh or whatever your main character looks like. And there, it should work perfectly like this. Well, not this perfectly. I just have a very laggy computer and a very low budget. So if you could subscribe, like, and view these videos, I could make better content. Also afford stuff.